Mastering English Idioms. Unraveling Doesn't Miss a Beat. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore the meaning, usage, and origins of the phrase, "doesn't miss a beat." This idiom is widely used in everyday English, and understanding it will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you grasp the nuances of English expressions. So, let's get started and unravel this interesting phrase together. Doesn't miss a beat refers to the ability to continue smoothly without hesitation or without showing any sign of difficulty, even when something unexpected happens. It's often used to describe someone who remains composed and maintains their performance level, despite potential disruptions or challenges. This phrase can apply to various situations, from handling a difficult question during a presentation to smoothly transitioning between topics in a conversation. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. In conversation, imagine someone is interrupted during a speech but quickly continues as if nothing happened. You might say, even after the interruption, she didn't miss a beat and finished her speech flawlessly. In performance, a drummer in a band might lose a drumstick but grabs another one instantly and keeps playing. An observer could remark, "He didn't miss a beat, his recovery was seamless." In work or school, if a student is asked a surprise question by a teacher and responds confidently without hesitation, a classmate might note, "He really didn't miss a beat with that answer." These examples show how the phrase can be versatile, applying to physical, intellectual, and emotional contexts. The phrase, "doesn't miss a beat," likely originates from the world of music, where timing and rhythm are crucial. A musician who doesn't miss a beat plays perfectly in time, without any errors or hesitations. Over time, this literal meaning has been extended metaphorically to other areas of life, symbolizing smooth, uninterrupted continuation or performance. Understanding idiomatic expressions like "doesn't miss a beat" can make a big difference in your English fluency and comprehension. It's a phrase that captures the essence of resilience, adaptability, and skill, whether in music, conversation, or any aspect of life. We hope this video has shed light on this expression and you'll feel confident using it in your own conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you master is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.